everyone, welcome back. Today we are working triceps together. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. You're gonna need a bench or a chair and a pair of dumbbells. So before we get started, don't forget January's calendar is available. Click the link in the description down below and sign up so you can get the rest of the year's calendars to your inbox. Let's get started. So we're gonna keep the dumbbells to the side for now and do some dips. I've got tricep dips here. So you can do these on a chair or you can do them on a bench, a bed, like a bed frame, anything that's sturdy enough for your full weight to push down on. So for tricep dips, you're gonna bring your butt off of the bench, keep your back nice and straight. You wanna keep your arms tucked nice to your side, and we are going to dip down. Elbows should go back 90 degrees, and then we're gonna come up forward. So we did chest the other day, and I showed you another way to do dips. These are for chest, where your arms are away from the body and the elbows are going outward. That's for the chest. So here we're gonna keep the arms nice and tucked to the body and sending those elbows in the back of us and coming forward. We're gonna do 3 sets of 12 here, starting now. Your butt doesn't have to touch the ground, you guys. Good job. Give yourself 10 seconds to rest. Make sure you have your Apple Watch on so you can track your calories. All right, guys, moving into set 2. Great job. 10-second rest. You'll notice that I'm not locking my arms when they come to the top. So when you're here, from here to here, you're not locking your arms fully straight. You're in a nice little bend. So keep that bend in your elbows so that it's easier for you to pop back down. You're not straining too much on the joints and you're not giving yourself any cheap breaks. We want to keep the tension on the tricep here. Alrighty, moving in, last 12. You got this, keep your back straight, core is nice and tight. Here we go. Give yourself 20 seconds to rest. All right, guys, while you take your rest, I'm gonna show you our next exercise. We're gonna be doing tricep extensions with single arm. Take one of your dumbbells in your hand, bring it up, nice 90-degree angle. You don't wanna be here with your arm, okay? You wanna keep your elbow nice and straight, sturdy, and raise up the arm, lower it back about 90 degrees here, and shoot it back up, all right? We're trying to mitigate the risk of any injuries. Make sure you're using something that's going to be challenging, but you have the strength to push it back up with. We're doing single arms first, so 3 sets of 10 on each arm. Make sure that you're not arching your back like this and pulling from your lower back. You wanna keep your back neutral, core is nice and tight, and let's get started. Good job, you guys. Other arm, here we go.
Can I tell you something just between you and me? When I hear your voice, I know I'm finally free. Every single word is perfect as it can be. And I need you here with me. When you lift me up, I know that I'll never fall.
And there we go, you guys. 10-second rest. Good job.
I can speak to you by saying nothing at all.
Alrighty, moving into set 2. Here we go.
I need you here with me every day. You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain.
Good job, keep going.
Now I know I'm falling in deep, 'cause I need you here with me every day.
Great job, go ahead and switch hands. keep this arm close to your head.
Now I know I'm falling in deep.
All the way up, you guys.
I need you here with me.
And 10, great job. 10-second rest. We are getting through this workout. I'm feeling it in the triceps. Alrighty, last set. We've got 10 on each arm. Push through this, you guys. You got this.
Every single night I find it harder to sleep. 'Cause I need you here
6,
every day.
5,
You're saying the words that I want
4, almost there. Keep this arm close to your face. 3, 2,
I know I'm falling in
1.
deep.
All right, 1 for good measure. Great job, guys. Switch arms.
You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away.
4,
Now I know I'm falling
5. We got this.
'cause I need
6, all the way down. 7, all the way up.
you
8,
you to say.
9,
There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away.
10. Great job. 1 for good measure. You guys are so good. Good job. Give yourself 20 seconds to break. Alrighty, I'm gonna show you this next exercise. We're doing skull crushers. So coming back on your bench, we are gonna be here. Make sure you're nice and comfortable. Arms are up above you. We're gonna be lowering these arms down to the ears and pushing back up just like that. It's pretty self-explanatory, you guys. Make sure you're not arching your back and trying to pull from the back. Back should be nice and flat on the bench. Remember the trick. Bring your legs up to flatten your back all the way down, and then push or flex the abs down if you have to as well while you're doing the workout so you don't accidentally start arching the back. Bringing the arms up, we're gonna do 3 sets of 12. Let's get started.
'Cause I need you here with me every day. You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away. Now I know I'm falling in deep. 'Cause I need you here with me every day. You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away. Now I know I'm falling in deep. 'Cause I need you here with me.
Great job. Give yourself 10 seconds to rest. Ooh, I can feel that so good. That is so good. Moving into set 2. Bring those arms up. Let's get started.
Now I know I'm falling in deep. 'Cause I need you here with me.
Great job. 10-second rest. Oh, I'm really feeling it. All right, you guys, last 12, here we go. Arms are up. And let's drop it down. We got 12. I'll count it down for us. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Great job. 6, halfway there, you guys. 5, 4, almost there. 3, 2, oh my God. And 1. Good job. There's no good measure here. My arms are killing me. Good job. Give yourself 20 seconds to rest, and we're gonna do our last exercise. So we're taking 1 dumbbell out, and we're bringing it back in this way. So we would normally come here and do this. So we're focusing here on the extension of the arms. So it's gonna be a little bit awkward. We're gonna go out and we're gonna come right back to the chest, out, and then right back to the chest. So here we're working chest a little bit, shoulders, as well as the tricep. We're gonna do 3 sets of 12. Let's get started. We have out, starting here. Keep your back nice and straight, your core is nice and tight. Remember, keep those arms up. yourself 10 seconds to rest. All right, set 2, arms out.
Don't give up, it's a little complicated. All tied up, no more love.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. 11 and 12. That's it, you guys. 10 seconds. We got one more set of 12. All right, here we go. Last set. Great job. Yay, good job, guys. Good job today. Don't forget, stretch out your upper body. Give your arms the love that they deserve after that good workout. I'll leave an upper body stretch here on the screen for you guys, and I will see you in that video. Bye.